Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. To remove the solid-state drive 2280, loosen the 8 screws on the base cover. Using a plastic scribe, pry the cover away from the recessed points near the hinges to remove it. Grasp the left side and the right side and remove the base cover. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the solid-state drive. Remove the screw securing it. Lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2280, place it back in the system and tighten the screw to secure it. Plug in the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and tighten the 8 screws to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.